Okay guys, so today we are going to be trying to get the LS-26 light machine gun. This is not going to be a review video. Please bear with me. It's going to be a quick guide on how to get this weapon as fast as possible, but to be honest with you guys, I think most of these objectives are way too easy. So really, it doesn't really matter. You guys don't have to follow my guide, because for the most part, all of these are pretty simple to do. But we are going to try to get 2 objectives, and they want us to play lockdown. Now, I don't know what that is. Maybe I do, I just don't remember, but we're not gonna play that. I feel like that is small quarters, basic middle size lobbies. And if we're trying to get 1,500, or at least I'm trying to get 1,500 of a score in one round, and I'm trying to get 2 objectives in one round, I don't think a lockdown is probably the best. But that's my opinion. So we're gonna play, you guessed it, Breakthrough. Hopefully we don't get Hamada. I don't think that map really helps out. It's kind of difficult to open, really. And I'm trying to go support because I've noticed that support class really ranks me up some points every time I'm playing support. So if you want to do that, and probably Hamada's not the best place to get 15,000 points.
Now, we are going to do a little bit of camping here if we want to get the 1,500. I'm just glad it's not 15,000. But to ensure that we do get those 1,500 points, we're going to do a little bit of light camping. As soon as my screen... Please don't tell me I just went black screen. I'm going to be so mad. Oh, for the love of God. Are you kidding me?
There, please. So I didn't get anything for it. Oh, don't see me, please. Damn. I'm gonna climb up here. Be very stealthy. Be very quiet. Don't want to alert the enemy team now, do we? There was a guy, he's dead. I see the ammo pouch. Did they get A without? Son of a bitch. That was probably my chance. So with the game like this started, I don't think we're going to be able to get 1,500 points. I'm really deciding whether we should quit or not. I'm going to try my best here. I should have just shot him. But I wanted to be cool. Well, what the fuck did we do now?
Yeah. Oh wait, what? Are you guys building a bridge? Oh my god, thank you, man. I love you. Medic BF, I think you're the best, man. I love you. I'll support you guys. Alright. Let's do this, boys. Hold up, man. Hold up. Can you see our friends are trying to move here? What the hell's wrong with you? No! Get him, friend. I'll cover you. We're gonna move up now. I'll say thank you. Do you wanna be rude, assholes? Oh, I see them over here. Sorry, man. Anybody else? Is there anybody else? We're gonna move up to B now. Hopefully, we could get B. I think we can. We have 300 and something soldiers. That'll be possible. Oh, nice. I think it's better if we don't. Come on, move.
Attention, we are losing objective Able.
That's alright.
We got 2. We don't have to do it in 1 life. This is great. Now we could try and focus on getting 1,500 kills. Or points. I can't see squat. Nice. No. Going back up. We should probably move forward. Ooh, they're really trying. Oh no! Why? No. Stop doing that, damn it. Nice, teammate got him. Oh, damn. Is there more?
The enemy is taking objective Able.
I'm sorry, you're cold. The next objective is to get 2,000 damage points with assault rifles. I don't want to use...
Replace weapon, yes. Come on, please, just get... I don't want to use the STG 44 just yet. I'm gonna use the Sturmgewehr. If you could just let me change it for the love of...
Sturmgewehr. I don't think we're in the best place. Oh. I let go of the trigger. Why did he keep shooting? That's not bad. Really want to stay in a good area. People are trying to flank me right now.
The enemy is taking objective Anton.
This is actually a good area. Don't want. There's a sniper over there. Don't want to do. I'm gonna be running out of. Oh, I'm down to my last bullet.
We are losing objective Bertha. Objective Bertha has been lost.
Oh no.
We have lost this sector. Retreat.
I did my best, boys. So we could do this for long range. Not that's gonna help or anything. Oh, maybe it is gonna help. Oh shit! Where are they? Oh. I can't help you, dude. I can't. I'm sorry. I need health, though. Oh, shit. It could be right above me, so I gotta be careful. Oh no. I can't move back up. Okay, created some smoke screen for us there. Oh, reload, reload, reload! Oh, he's dead. I need ammo. I got you, man. Don't worry. You don't have to cry no more. We got this. We will survive, boys. Alright, that should be... Yeah, that's it. Now we could just focus on something else, really. I don't know what it is. So we are now on Lead Farmer. Kill, down, or suppression assist 20 enemies using an LMG or MMG. What is an MMG? Medium machine gun? Is that what it is? Okay. We could do that. What's the next one after that? Kill or revive teammates 40 times. That one's gonna take a while. Maybe. Alright, so let's go. Is this considered a heavy machine gun or something? Oh, MMG. This counts. Okay, sweet. Heavy machine gun. Oh, I see you, man. What is that? 3, 2? Oh, damn. Alright.
We're just gonna keep the pressure here. They're gonna be coming from that door right now. Yep. You gotta be very careful. Don't wanna pop out too much. Get back inside here. We're getting A, I believe. Let's get A.
Oh, no, no, no! Damn it. Damn. Rolling. Let's say running low on animals. Let's say running low. Damn, I can't talk. What the fuck? Let's say running low on ammo. Damn, shouldn't have done that. Oh, dang it. Oh, Stalker! I love you, man. Lucky.
Munition für dich.
Let's see. Alrighty then. Nice. I'm doing pretty good.
Good, we've taken
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
objective
jinx
Alpha.
myself. Is there anybody? I'll wait till he gets a little bit closer. Oh damn!
Nimm die Munition hier.
Oof. Should probably back up a bit. No.
We are losing objective Bertha.
Ah! Damn. Oh damn, oh damn, oh damn, oh damn, oh damn. Ah, damn it. Oh, Goose. Goose. You're in my eyes, Goose.
Vergiss es.
Damn it. Me coming. Just gonna walk here. And there it is. 40 fucking kills. Now we could just help the team out by doing. Wow, there's a lot of you guys over here. By doing this, guys. We're gonna spot these guys just because we can. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching this video. My show off case of how to get the LS26. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down.
Come on, boys.
I will do a video of the LS26 tomorrow. Soon. I'm pretty sure tomorrow I'll come with it.
I know there was a friend.
I'm gonna go watch Endgame. When you guys are seeing this, I'm probably gonna be watching Endgame, hopefully. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. Enjoy your day, and I will see you guys on the next video. See you guys.